How to fix Gmail not receiving emails. Where if your Gmail is not receiving any emails, then first thing you want to check is your internet connection. Make sure your internet is not the issue. Also make sure the internet access is allowed for Gmail application if you are using Android device. Now second thing is open up Gmail and head over to your storage. Tap on your profile icon at the top right corner and you can see here various options. Tap on your storage. If it is full, you can tap on it and you can view it. You can see only 8% has been used and only 1.28 GB of 15 GB is used currently. You can tap on clean space if clean up space and proceed to clear up space here by checking out files that you do not require and deleting them. You can also get storage, extra storage if it is your storage issue. Now head over to your hamburger icon at the top left and head into spam folder and make sure that your emails are not being sent to spam. Now if it is there on spam, what you want to do is you can open up and you can tap on three dots there and report not scam, and that way you'll receive it you'll be able to receive it on your main inbox. So it's that simple and easy. Hope this video was helpful. Do like and subscribe, and also do not forget to leave the comments down below as well.